Transparency or toothlessness. The small committee secrets must come to light. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. As we stand on the brink of deliberating the 2026 national budget, Representative Toby Tiangco's demand for transparency shouldn't just echo, it should reverberate through the hallway of Congress. Tiangco forcefully argues that before lawmakers even talk about new allocations, they must confront the murky past. He demands public disclosure of the secret small committee amendments made to the 2025 General Appropriations Act, changes that added billions to select districts without so much as a meeting report. This isn't just procedural nitpicking. It's about whether democracy means open debate or backroom tinkering. For example, Tiangco points to a jaw-dropping increase in funding. One district's allocation ballooned from 2.53 billion to 20.999 billion. Another from 1.0508 billion to 20.795 billion, all courtesy of these hidden insertions. What's most scandalous? The small committee wielded the final say after a plenary approval, stripping the public and even other lawmakers of any say or record in the most important law of the year. When the Budget Committee chair can't or won't produce minutes or reports, transparency becomes a hollow word. It breeds corruption. Tiangco isn't just making noise, he is issuing a non negotiable ultimatum. No more blindfolding taxpayers. Make the process transparent or don't call it reform. He doesn't stand alone. Cebu's Duke Frasco backs him, calling the small committee a badge of shame that undermines Congress' constitutional mandate. He demands amendments be debated openly before the whole House, not decided behind closed doors by four people. And the president's veto threat looms large. Any deviation from the National Expenditure Program, even a reenacted budget, will be sent back. Transparency isn't optional. It's the only buffer against fiscal abuse. And in honest terms, are we fixing our budget process or just painting over corruptions with a fresh coat of legitimacy? In summary, Tiangco's demands release of the 2025 small committee amendments, no excuses and no delays. He wants open plenary debate on every amendment. If it's good governance, do it publicly. Frasco echoes him. No more secret tinkering. Let's see every change in the light of day. And with the president's threat to veto non-aligned budgets, history may judge Congress's next moves harshly or upload them. The message is crystal clear. Transparency isn't a preference. It is a demand. The budget is the people's money. Its crafting must be public or it's theft by another name. Thank you for watching.